Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to see who viewed or visited your Facebook profile. For this, first of all, open your Facebook application and hit on the menu button, which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. Then go to your profile and click on the three dots. From here, turn on the professional mode. Since I have already turned on, simply click on the turn on professional mode and your professional mode will be activated. Now from this, after you have activated your professional mode, click on the see dashboard on your profile page. From here, see more insights, click on that. Now here you will see 11 reads. That means 11 people have opened your profile or viewed your Facebook profile. So this is the only way to see who viewed your Facebook profile. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to subscribe.